Hello, this video is designed to help you send the JBSA Library an email request to place library items on hold for pickup at your JBSA Library location. You will need to be logged into your email account of choice to get started. Once there, click on the Compose button. When the new email message box opens, go to the To line and put the following information in for your JBSA Library location. For Lackland, put lacklandlibraryholds@gmail.com. For Randolph, put jbsarandolphlibraries@gmail.com. And for Fort Sam, put Camp B Library FTSAM@gmail.com. Next, fill in the subject line with the following information: Library, Hold, Request, and then your last name. Then fill out the body of your email with the following information. I'm going to paste it here so you can see the example. Hello, I'd like to place the following items on hold for pickup at my JBSA Library location. My location is Fort Sam Houston Library in this example. Then put your last name, your first name, and your middle initial. Also, when you start your list, do it in the following manner. For books, we need the title, such as Grapes of Wrath, author John Steinbeck. For audiobooks, we need the title, A Walk in the Woods, author Bill Bryson, and the publisher Bantam Doubleday. For DVDs, such as movies, just simply Iron Man 3. For television shows, we would need the title, Star Trek, and the season, Season 1. For documentaries, we would need the title, the home front, and the producer, PBS. Keep in mind that the maximum number of items allowed per hold is 10, and that is in any combination of books, audiobooks, and DVDs. The limit is 10 regardless of the combination of items or 10 of any single item type. The maximum is 10. Once you've completed your list, simply say thank you. And send your email on its way. Keep in mind, we will check these regularly. We will process your email in the order that it comes into our email accounts. If we cannot process your order due to any difficulties, we will reach you via email or phone number listed in your library account. Please do not include your phone number in your message requests or any other personal information. We do not need this to get started on your holds. If we encounter a problem, like I've said, we will contact you via email or phone as stated earlier. Thank you for taking the time to understand this new process during our current phased reopening of JBSA libraries. Our goal is to provide you with world-class services and keep everyone safe. Thank you.